today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive signed documents in Docusign in the easiest possible way. Say goodbye to cluttered digital environments by efficiently organizing your documents in just a few steps. Let's dive in and make document management a breeze. First, head over to the Docusign website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Docusign URL or click your saved bookmark. If you have one, Docusign is renowned as the #1 platform for electronic signatures and agreement management, offering robust solutions that save time and streamline processes. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look towards the upper right-hand corner of your screen to find the login button, then click it. Make sure you have your credentials ready. Your username and password are the keys to accessing all of Docusign's powerful features. After successfully logging in, navigate to the Docusign home, which serves as a central hub for managing all your documents. From here, you can easily view your pending and completed tasks at a glance. Next, locate the Agreements section and click on it. This will lead you to a list of all the agreements and documents currently available in your account, giving you a comprehensive view of your digital paperwork landscape. Within this section, find the document you wish to archive. Next to it, you'll notice a 3-dot icon symbolizing additional options. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options provided, select Move. This feature allows you to organize your documents by relocating them into different folders, which is essential for maintaining an intuitive document structure now. You'll see a prompt to either select an archived folder or create a new one. If you already have an archived folder set up, simply choose it. If not, creating a new one is quick and can help organize your documents according to your preferences. Finally, with your desired folder selected, click Move. Just like that, your document is neatly tucked away in its designated archive folder, ready for whenever you need to revisit it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully archived your signed document, freeing up space and creating a more organized digital environment. Remember, structured document management can save you countless hours and prevent unnecessary stress. So consider making this a regular part of your workflow. Thanks for tuning in, and happy archiving.